Hey, good morning, students. So this video is gonna be for the for the math class of today. We're gonna talk about equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. What is that? It's fractions. We're gonna use the table just in case. Okay. You're gonna open this exercise. You got this exercise over here, and you got this equivalent fractions worksheet. For each question below, fill in the blanks with a number which will make each pair of the fraction equivalent. If you see this one, you say, what is this? Well, how can I do this? Don't worry. Now, let me put the first two, exercise number 1 and then exercise number 2. I'm gonna put it right here. You see, this is exercise number 1. What are we gonna do there? Simple. We're gonna find a number multiply by 2 that gives me 10. One number multiplied by 2 gives me 10. So for that, I'm gonna look for the table of 2 in that case. One number, and that same number is gonna be the same for this one also. We're gonna multiply the same. So let's say if I go to the table of 2, I'm gonna find a number that multiplied by 2 is gonna give me 10. So let me go to the table here. So I go to the table of 2. One number multiplied by 2 is going to give me 10. I go here, multiply by 2, 10. So it's going to be 5. 5 is the magic number. 5. Because 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. Right here. Just like I put in the thing. A number multiplied by 2 is going to give me 10. In that case, it will be 5. Because 2 times 5 equals 10. So that number, magical number, we're gonna put it over here also. We're gonna put 5, and we're gonna say 5 times 5 again, and we're gonna say now 5 times 5 equals 25. Sorry for 25 over here. 25. You're gonna look for the magic number. That magic number multiplied by that gives me 10. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. It's kind of like division, remember? And we're gonna do that same magic number over here, and we're gonna put it right over here. We're gonna multiply with this. 5 times 5 equals 25. Now let's go to the exercise over here. Again, one number multiplied by 3 is gonna give me 12. For that, I'm gonna go to the table again. Let's just go to the table. One number here, one number multiply by 3 is gonna give me 12. What number would that be? So I'm gonna go to the table of 3. Let me go to the table of 3. Table of 3 over here, and table of 3, I'm gonna look 12. 12. So the magic number here is 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So then I go. My magic number will be 4, because 3 times 4 equals 12. So here I will go, and I'm gonna put the same number, the magic number 4 also over here, and then I'm gonna say 5 times 4 equals, I look in the table just in case, 5 times 4, 20. Then I go 20. And there you go. That's going to be the answer for that one. You see all the idea of this one. Again, one number multiplied by 2 is equals to 10. So I'm going to feed one number gives me 10. So in that case, it will be 2 times 5 equals 10. So I'm going to use 5 over here, the magic number. I'm going to use it also here, and I'm going to multiply 5 times 5, 25. I got the answer for that one. Then here, one number multiplied by 3 is equals to 12. One number I multiply by 3 gives me 12. So I say 4. 3 times 4, 12. And that same number, 4, the magic number, I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to multiply it by 5. 5 times 4, 20. And that's the answer for that. So that's basically what you need to do for the other exercises over here. You see, in this other exercise, what you need to find is In number 3, one number multiplied by 4 equals 16. And that same number, I'm going to multiply by 1. You see? Same thing. One number multiplied by 4 equals 16. And that same magic number, I'm going to use by multiply by 1. Like here, number 4. One number multiplied by 7 equals 21. I'm going to go to the table of 7. I'm going to find the magic number. When I find the magic number, I'm going to multiply by 6. It's going to give me the answer over here also. See? It's very simple. Very simple. Okay? Here's you see a table that I gave you over here. And you will help. But don't worry. If you need more help, we will do it together. Don't worry. I just want you to explain you just in case you can do it by yourself. You know, you're not in the class, you can do it yourself, okay? But anyway, you can tell me and I will help you. Any orders? So thank you guys. See you in the class.